Next question. The magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. See, consider one atom. When electron around the nucleus in circular path is the electron. Center of the atom is called nucleus. The charge of the nucleus is Ze, positive Ze. The radius of the orbit is R. So, the electron of charge minus E, minus is a negative charge, perform uniform circular motion around the stationary heavy nucleus charge, positive Ze. That consists of the current I. See how the current is produced. When a charge moving means it's nothing but current. The charge at rest means electrostatics. When a charge moving means it produces current. So here electron is one of the charge, negative charge. It's moving or in a circular path. It will produce some amount of current. So current formula already you know that one. I is equal to Q by T. You know the formula. I is equal to Q by T. Q is a charge. Here what charge? E is a negative charge. That means electron charge. So I is equal to E by T. Take equation number 1. T is the time period of revolution. R is the radius of the electron. V is the orbital speed, electron speed. So you know the formula for velocity. V is equal to displacement by time taken. So want to find the time taken. T is equal to displacement by velocity or speed, both are the same. Displacement. So one circular path is displacement is 2 pi r divided by velocity v or speed v. So T is equal to 2 pi r by v. It's nothing but same formula. V is equal to S by T. It's a basic formula. V is equal to S by T. So T is equal to S by V. S is nothing but overall displacement in a circle 2 pi r. That is circumference of the circle. 2 pi r divided by V. R is the radius. See the equation 1 and 2. Substitute 2 in 1. So I is equal to E. T value substitute. T value already 2 pi r by V. You substitute. So it will become I is equal to E by T value 2 pi r by V. That V will come to numerator V. So I value EV by 2 pi r. So you know the formula magnetic moment. Already you know the formula magnetic moment. M is equal to IA. M is equal to IA. Or M, or you can write mu L also you can write. That is also angular magnetic moment. So magnetic moment is equal to IA. I is the current, A is the area. Is the area of the circle pi r square. So you can directly write the magnetic moment mu L is equal to I pi r square. A only it will become pi r square. I pi r square. Now here mu is equal to I pi r square. Substitute the I value here. Substitute the I value. Mu L is equal to I value substitute here. So mu L is equal to I value EV by 2 pi r into pi r square. So 1 r cancel. Pi cancel. So it will become mu L is equal to EVR by 2. Substitute the I value here. Then you only get mu L is equal to EVR by 2. So here multiply and divided by ME. Here E is the charge of an electron, V is the velocity of the electron, R is the radius of the orbit, and 2 is a constant number. Here one important physical quantity is not there. What is that physical quantity? Is mass of the electron. So you have to introduce mass of the electron here. So you want to introduce means what? So mass of the electron, multiply the mass of the electron and dividing the mass of the electron. See, multiplying and dividing, the value does not change. So mu L is equal to EVR, E by 2 ME. So multiplying and dividing both value. So MVR, why you take MVR? Mass, velocity, radius. Electron mass, velocity. Mass, velocity, radius is nothing but L. What is L? Angular momentum. That is called angular momentum. So now you see mu L is equal to E by 2 ME. MVR is nothing but L. L is the angular momentum. This is a magnetic moment formula in revolving electron. This is a scalar formula. In vector, mu L is equal to minus E by 2 ME. Is minus will come. What is minus here? The negative sign indicate that the angular momentum of the electron L, angular moment of the electron is opposite minus opposite in the direction of the magnetic moment. So what is the relation? The angular momentum and the magnetic moment always opposite. That is opposite direction of the magnetic moment here. Now from equation 3, mu L is equal to E by 2me into L. So you cross multiply, L is a cross multiply, mu L by L. See, from equation 3, mu L by L is equal to E by 2me. This ratio is called gyromagnetic ratio. This ratio is called gyromagnetic ratio. Gyro means it's a spinning value. It's a spinning ratio value. So this is called gyromagnetic ratio. This is a constant value only because it will not change. Why? Mass of the electron and the charge of the electron always same. So dividing this two value and divided by 2, you will get one constant value 8.8 into 10 of 10 coulomb. Unit of charge coulomb and unit of mass kg. So coulomb per kg. This is a 1 mark question. 8.8 into 10 of 10. Gyromagnetic ratio value. It's always constant only. Does not change. So this gyromagnetic ratio. From Bohr hypothesis, Bohr formula, that the angular momentum formula, you know that one. The angular momentum L is equal to nh by 2 pi. Each orbital increase the angular momentum multiple of nh by 2 pi. This is the Bohr hypothesis value. So L is equal to nh by 2 pi according to the Bohr concept. From equation 4 you see, slightly change equation 4, mu L mu L is equal to E by 2me into L. L you cross multiply again. So mu L is equal to E by L. So now you substitute the L value here. So E by 2me, L value nh by 2 pi. Here you see E nh by 2me into 2 pi. Here, so E is the charge of an electron, N is a number of orbitals N, H is a Planck's constant, 2 is a constant number, me is a mass of the electron, 2 pi also is constant. Here you see, if we want to find the angular momentum of minimum value means what? N will become 1. N not equal to 0. 0 will not come. If it will come 0 means it's a whole value 0. It's a meaningless. So beginning value 1 only. So minimum angular momentum N is equal to 1. So what happened? You substitute the N is equal to 1. So it will become EH by 2 into 2, 4 pi me. You see, E is the charge of an electron constant, H is the Planck's constant, 4 pi also constant, me also constant. You substitute the value, charge of an electron 1.6 into 10 of minus 19 into Planck's constant 6.63 into 10 of minus 34 divided by 4 into pi value 3.14 into me, mass of the electron 9.11 into 10 of minus 13. All the values are constant only. So simplify, no need to simplify all the values. Directly write the simplest value 9.27. The simplifying value 9.27 into 10 to the power of minus 24 ampere meter square. This is a 1 mark question.